Now let us see the last network in this compensators is lead lag network. Lead lag network. So the lead is ahead, then lag. So you have first the lead part of the network, then you have lag part of the network. So call them as R1, C1 for the lead network, and this one as R2 and C2. This part is a lag network. So the time constant of the lead network is C1 R1, time constant of the lag network is C2 R2, and alpha 1 is the constant for lead network, is given by R2 by R1 plus R2, which is less than 1, whereas alpha 2 is the constant involved in lag network, it is R1 plus R2 by R2, it is greater than 1. So these 4 parameters will decide what exactly is the lead lag network. So we can see the pole 0 diagram. Pole 0 diagram, and the time constants lead network will come first. So lead network contributes 0 and pole. Lead network contributes 0 and pole. So 0 and pole. The pole 0 diagram of the lead network, it consists of pole 0 for lead network, pole 0 for lag network. So the 0 is dominant in the lead part of the network, it is at 1 by tau 1, and the pole is away from the origin and it is at minus 1 by alpha 1 tau 1. Next, the pole at minus 1 by alpha tau 2, and then 0 at minus 1 by tau 2. So this part of the network is lead. So you can see that it is a lead lag network. So lead comes first and lag comes later, you can remember that way. And in the case of lead network, the 0 is the dominant. Dominant 1 is 0 in the case of lead network. Now the Bode plot, if you see the Bode plot of this lead lag network, omega, and the magnitude in decibels on linear scale. It goes this way, and the corner frequencies are 4 even here also, 1 by tau 1, 1 by alpha 1 tau 1, 1 by alpha 2 tau 2, 1 by tau 2. So this part is lead network part of the lead lag, and this part is of lag network. And if you see the phase plot, phase angle in degrees versus omega, project all these corner frequencies, and the midpoint of this slope, it has the slope of plus 20 dB per decade, and this part has the slope of minus 20 dB per decade, and the midpoints also you can project because where the angle is maximum, lag or lead. So you can see that in this lead part of the network the phase angle is maximum, and here you have maximum lag. So this is the maximum phase angle lead you have, here phase angle lag you have. So this portion of the magnitude plot, we can say that this is band pass filter. Unlike lag lead is a band stop, and this lead lag network is a band pass filter. So the meaning of band pass filter is, it is a filter, it eliminates low frequency signal and then high frequency signal. It selects certain range, is called band pass, and lead lag network is nothing but a band pass filter. So this band width is decided by the parameters of the lead lag network.